Hey y'all, this is Miso. Come on into my kitchen today where we're going to be making some really good meatballs, honey. These are Meso specials. And here's some of the ingredients that I'm going to be using. And I'm just going to go ahead and get this onion chopped up. And I'm going to just be rough chopping this guy. Nothing special, don't have to go through any extra lengths. Just going to rough chop this onion because it's going to be good in my meatballs. Now, I will say though, rough chop, you don't want them really, really big. Not hanging all out your meatballs. But we're gonna rough chop them. I am using a whole, actually a whole small onion. But it's gonna give me about a cup of chopped onions. So, okay, here I have some frozen spinach, and this is just like about a 10-ounce package. I'm gonna get it into this boiler. And I've got a little water in here, and I'm going to just cook this down. Not going to take me but a few minutes. Just going to cook this spinach down to make it soft. Then I'll be straining it, draining it, and kind of drying it up with some paper towels. But right now, I am just getting it together. It's going to be good, y'all. My grandkids love meatballs. And they love meatball sub sandwiches. I have an egg here, just getting this egg ready. I'm gonna whisk it and just get it beaten together before I put it into my mixture. Have it sitting here already beaten. Here I have a pound of Italian sausage. I'm gonna be using Italian sausage and then some ground beef. Get my ground beef in and my Italian sausage. You can use chicken sausage here or pork sausage, whatever you would like to use. I'm getting my egg in. Now I'm gonna just start putting in all my ingredients. I'm getting my egg in. This small onion that I cut up, it made about a cup. I'm getting that in. I've got some breadcrumbs here that I'm gonna use. Some cayenne pepper. And I want to tell you guys, don't worry about it. Just enjoy the video because I have a link in the description box. You go over there right beneath the video. You click that link and it takes you over to my website. There you can get the recipe and many other great recipes. And guess what? They are printable and they are free. Yeah, that's what I like. They're free. And so you go over there and just get as many recipes as you want because you'll see many others on my website. So I just put in, I believe, some parsley. I'm going to put in some nutmeg. And we're not going to make this taste like a dessert, but this nutmeg is going to give it a very interesting flavor. I'm putting in some Parmesan cheese. This is the kind that my grandkids like to sprinkle on their pizza. And I'm putting in some ginger. In the recipe, the amounts and the recipe items will be listed on your printable recipe page. Getting in some cumin. We love meatballs. Sometimes I'll just make up a batch of them and we'll just eat them indiscriminately as we like to. Some of us will use the pasta sauce, and this is my spinach. It's strained and compacted and squeezed out. And we'll make sub sandwiches. We'll eat them just as a snack. We'll eat them with dipping sauce. Sometimes I'll put gravy on them and serve them over rice. So they're so versatile. And if I make up a batch of them, we can use them in many ways. So here I've got my gloved hand, and I am going in here, and I'm just going to be careful though not to overmix this, because if you overmix it, then they become tough. And I want these to still be tender. And I'm just making balls. I could measure them out with using some type of scoop or measuring cup, but I'm just going to eyeball this, and I'm just making them out approximately the same size, but not exact. Look at that. Yep, these are going to be good. So let me get them into the oven. I have a waiting, preheated 350-degree oven, and I just slid them right into that oven. I am going to let them bake approximately, I'm going to start checking them at 30 minutes, and let them bake 30, 35, 40 minutes. I've got some little dipping sauce here. This is made with hoisin, and it's really tasty. It kind of lends itself to an oriental flavor. It makes these meatballs somewhat oriental. Look at that glistening hoisin sauce. Man, they're good any way you want to serve them. And they're so easy, too. Yeah, I give this a big 100, honey. Yes, I do. Look at that. Gorgeous, beautiful, and delicious. And I just keep them, I put them all down in a gallon Ziploc bag, keep them in the refrigerator. If we some reason don't get to eat them all, if they freeze wonderfully, and they're good to have on hand. Guys, I want you to get this in your rotation, honey. I thank you guys for coming by, checking on me today. You wanted to see what I was doing. You knew I'd be throwing down. Now, I hope that I did not disappoint. Those that are already subscribed to me, I thank you. Thank you. If you're not, please hit that red subscribe button and also the notification bell into parentheses. Come around that bell. That way you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. Give me a big thumbs up. That helps to move me along in the search engine, and it helps to grow my channel. Guys, I'm on TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, and of course YouTube. And I appreciate you checking on me and watching me everywhere I'm at. You know, on YouTube there are thousands of wonderful cooks, and when you come and spend some time with me watching my videos, I consider myself blessed. I'm honored, and I appreciate you so much. Hey guys, thank you for watching, and here's what I want you to do. Take a little time for yourself. Practice self-love, self-help, and self-mental health. And that way, when you get yourself together, you're better able to love somebody else when you love yourself. And how do you show somebody that you love them? Guess what you can do? Share your love, honey, by sharing your food. That's what I come on here to do, to share these great recipes with you. That shows you how much I love you. Yeah, share your love by sharing your food. Bye-bye, and I'll see you next time.